Yo, it's your boy Boonky back at again with a new video, and today I just want to answer the question: is Axie Infinity a scam? And in my opinion, no. This game is not really a scam because being in the crypto space, understanding how much potential it has, it made me change a lot on how I think, especially just making money from video games. I've been playing video games ever since I was a child, and just having the idea to actually make money from it, not from making YouTube videos about it, not from streaming on Twitch, or just being a content creator in general, just actually playing the video game and actually getting paid to play. I don't think this is a scam, especially since this game came out in 2018, the tail end of the Bitcoin crash, when I think a lot of people got out of the space because they just saw Bitcoin go from like $18,000 to maybe 7,000. They're like, dang, my investment was horrible. And I feel like Axie Infinity, when it came out a long time ago. It's probably just been building, and even with the gas fees on Ethereum, I don't think the crypto space is where it is right now. A lot of people are trying to get into it, and especially with Axie, the amount of demand it has, especially in other countries, finding out that people can actually make more money from playing a video game than probably going to work. A super interesting concept and just so amazing. Not only just that, my experience playing video games, I probably started playing video games when I was 5, playing Pokemon. Axie Infinity is kind of inspired off of Pokemon. Just the idea alone of making money from playing video games is there. Fortnite, I remember 2 years ago when there was a special skin on Fortnite, people were willing to pay like $500 just to get an account that had this Fortnite skin. People probably spent thousands of dollars just on GTA. That game has been around for what, 10 years since the Xbox 360, PS3, on the PS5 and Xbox Series X. So that is 3 video game consoles that is out on. So just seeing the amount of potential video games have, and from people actually playing tournaments, making money, I really feel like Axie Infinity has the potential, just from the aspect of looking from people playing that want to play video games and also make money. And then just the concept of cryptocurrency entities, even though the NFT market has not been where it was in the beginning of the year, where everybody was just finding out about NFTs, it's a totally different concept than making their own wallet, where Ethereum gas fees were insane, especially around March, April, I believe. You can probably get like a gas fee that was like $80. If you just wanted to buy like a cryptocurrency, put $50 into a cryptocurrency, the gas fee was just more than you would put in. So if you didn't have a lot of money, the gas fees will probably just eat out your profits, especially even if this cryptocurrency had like a 2x, 3x, especially when altcoins and meme coins are going crazy. That was the time, but now it's a new one. And just seeing the demand for the Axie Infinity community, how active they are on social media, how active the Discord is, I feel like there's so much of a powerful community of people that just want to play this video game. And even just looking at the socials on Twitch, just trying to be a part of the community, just seeing how much people are just reaching out to each other and just how nice it is. I mean, I've been playing video games for a long time, and especially in the beginning stages of stuff, everybody's just so nice to each other. Then, like, when it goes mainstream, I feel like that's when it gets toxic. But I feel like we're still in the early stages of Axie Infinity, where everybody's just loving, everybody just wants to play. And then I feel like later in the future, hopefully it never gets like that, but then the toxic people do come in, and it just becomes like a cesspool of everybody just trying to make money or something like that. But in the beginning stage of Axie Infinity, I don't think it's a scam, because there's probably going to be a lot of difficulties. Right now, the Axie Infinity marketplace is down, and even though I just invested like most of my money in Axie Infinity, I'm not really that nervous because I see it as a long-term investment. Like, even though like I can't really transfer my funds, can't get my money out, I'm not really that worried, because I'm not trying to get into this video game for like 2 weeks or 3 and just try to make my return on investment back, or just try to get as much money as I can in just a short amount of time. I see this game as a long-term investment, just because seeing SOP go from like 8 cents all the way up to 24, 25 cents, which is just insane, especially in the last week, last month, last 3 months actually. Axie Infinity going from like 300% more players than they got the month before. So 3 times as many players basically every single month. They are more than doubling their community, and it's just so insane just seeing the profits just from even going by weeks. It's just video games don't happen like that. You don't get a video game that just keeps on exploding and exploding. Maybe like Fortnite, but Fortnite is different. I mean, kind of actually no, it's kind of like the same, but just seeing the community and just people that actually want to play the game and realizing that you can actually make money. The difference between Fortnite and Axie Infinity is that Axie Infinity, there is demand for the currency. Fortnite, they gave you skins and people paid for it. That company just blew up. That I feel like that video game's a multi-billion-dollar video game, and it wasn't that popular when it first came out. But Axie Infinity, I feel like people will just be playing this for years and actually have like a stable community. And I feel like they're still introducing more things, even though the crypto market, I mean, the actual market is down. Kind of a little bit nervous if you are an investor, but hopefully this gets back out. They just get the market back up and you're able to transfer your funds. I feel like this might be a little, might hurt the game reputation a little bit, but in the long term, I don't think so, because there's just so many people that wanted to play. I understand that their market probably had to crash at some point. They just can't handle the amount of people that actually want to play the video game. So that's my thoughts on really just Axie Infinity in general. Is it a scam? Not really. It's just a video game that is exploding. I don't think they just can handle the amount of players that want to play this game. So I think it's just gonna take some time until they can really just fix the servers and stuff like that. And I really believe in Axie Infinity. So it's your boy Boomkey, also known as Mike Makes Money. Peace.